For today's game, we are playing Dice Pool. I created a little pool table out of some poster board, and then I put numbers 1 through 6 in each of the pockets. We're going to start by rolling the dice. Whatever number they land on, we're going to have to try and get that dice into it. So this one has a 6 on it. I'd have to get it into the 6 pocket. And then we'll see who can get rid of all of their dice first. That person is the winner. You ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay, let's roll. Oh, I moved them. Yeah, I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, now they stay there. I am going to move that one out of the corner, out of the pocket though. He was very logical about where he's putting stuff, so. Okay, you go first. You're just gonna flick it with your fingers. Oh, close. All right. Where do I want to try and go here? That one went a little far.
Overshooting it?
Just a little bit. So in that case, you just re-roll it. All right, now Christian's turn. Maybe we should have put up some barriers along the outer edges.
Where did it go?
If you want to check out how we played pool with cereal as well and made our own little pool table out of a cereal box, you can check out the link up here.
Yes!
Oh, and he is in officially. Christian is 1 down. Oh, whoops, I need to start that here.
That was a double hit.
Hey, it's now a 3. That will actually work to my advantage. Oh, that was so close. Christian has 2 in.
Yes!
Oh, I was thinking that was mine. Well, I just put Christian up 3-0.
Alright, well, I'll go ahead and get you so this is there.
It's in.
No, if this were billiards, a ball in.
It would fall in, right?
No.
Oh. Alright, let's see if I can at least get 1 here. Oh, man.
Alright, we're gonna learn something. Just take them out. There we go. Just reroll both. Strategically rerolling is the best way to go. Grab it.
Finally!
Alright. So I can just put that bit.
Oh, man.
All of mine are 4s.
I know, you got the 4, I think turns out to be the easiest one.
Hey!
It's another 4! I'm doomed! Ah!
Yes! This will work out to my advantage.
For the win!
Oh,
almost.
Thank you.
That is a perfect setup for me. Let's see if I can get it though. Yes! Finally! I got 2. I'm not totally losing.
Yes!
Oh, Christian is the big winner. Nicely done, bud. With 4 4s and 1 6. If you enjoyed this game, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. And then I just traced a cup to create the pockets.
Oh, you can't forget these. You need these in every pool.
Tune in for one of our future games to see what we're doing with the pool noodle.